Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad. This is Surah Al-Baqarah, ayahs number 25 onward. A'udhu billahi min shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وَبَشِّرِ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا. This alif here after the hamza extends it. Make sure you don't read amanu, but amanu. وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. This waw and alif are not read, neither is the alif and lam. You go from here straight to the sad because these are all dropped. These are not read and these are joined together with this, called huruf shamsiyah. وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ أَنَّ لَهُمْ جَنَّاتٍ. Longer alif, so slightly extend the noon here. لَهُمْ جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي. The jim is qalqala, so you would read it as تَجْرِي. جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي مِن تَحْتِهَا. This is a noon with a sukoon. You'd read min followed by a ta. This is ikhfa. Min tahtiha. This is sukoon here, and you're joining in with the alif lam back here on the bottom here. So the alif lam after the ha over here, you would read min tahtiha hal anharu. كلما رزقوا. Again, these are just extended, not read. رزقوا منها. كلما رزقوا منها من ثمرة رزقا. من ثمرة رزقا. Ra with the shadda here means you're joining the bottom kasratain straight into the ra. ثمرة رزقا. قالوا. We're here now. قالوا هذا الذي رزقنا. As before, this qaf is slightly qalqala, so هذا الذي رزقنا من قبل وأتوا به متشابها ولهم فيها أزواج مطهرة. ولهم فيها أزواج مطهرة. There's a longer alif here, so you say azwajum. These dhammatain mix into the meme here, so azwajum mutahharatun. The meme connecting there. That's why there's a shadda. You see these shaddas, they connect to the previous letter. وَهُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. Make sure you extend there, and it's khalidun, not khalidun. وَهُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. إِنَّ اللَّهَ This is read as they call full mouth. They translate it different ways, but it is not read inna Allah, but it is read inna Allah la, inna Allah la yes. Here, yastahyi, this just extending the ya here. Yastahyi an. Normally this is an followed by yadriba, but you join them. يستحيي أن يضرب مثلا ما. Again, the meme shadda there means these fathatain are joining with the meme. أن يضرب مثلا ما بعوضة فما فوقها. This dream's a good place to rest. فوقها فأما الذين آمنوا فيعلمون أنه الحق من ربهم. Nun with the sukoon followed by ra. There's another shadda, which means we drop this. We go straight from min to ra here. من ربهم. وأما الذين كفروا فيقولون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا. You would say مثلا, but if you're going to stop, you change it to a 2-count fatha. So in other words, بهذا مثلا يضل. And this meme here means you have to stop here, otherwise the meaning changes. It's a small meme. يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا. به كثيرا, if you have the run followed by a waw, different mushafs have different colors to help you in your reading, but you read it as به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا. There's another jim. When you stop on the ras, they become full mouth. So you don't say كثيرا, but you say كثيرا. وما يضل به إلا الفاسقين الذين ينقضون عهد الله. Meme, the meme here with the noon makes it double, like meme and meme. You're reading not as min but as mim. عهد الله من بعد ميثاقه, not ميثاقه. There's a ya here, make sure you say mi and then an extended of the tha. ميثاقه ويقطعون, the qaf there is qalqala. ويقطعون ما أمر الله به أن يوصل. There's another noon followed by ya. أن يوصل. ويفسدون في الأرض. If you're going to stop, you would say في الأرض and hold the dad. But if you're going to continue, obviously you would read the kasra here. في الأرض أولئك هم الخاسرون. أولئك هم الخاسرون. كيف تكفرون بالله, not بالله. When you have a kasra before the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you read it as billahi. تكفرون بالله وكنتم nun followed nun sakina with the sukoon followed by ta. وكنتم أمواتا فأحياكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم ثم إليه ترجعون. إليه ترجعون. We're going to stop there. Jazakumullah khair for all who have subscribed. We pray to Allah for acceptance, and also for those that are reading, we advise that you read the Quran live in person with a teacher for perfection, and this is just to help beginning students, inshallah, to learn to recite the Quran. It is in no way perfected reading, so inshallah you will keep practicing until it is perfected. We ask du'as from all of you. Jazakumullah khair. We will be loading more videos inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum.